You know, this type of niche is going absolutely viral nowadays. Many people are jumping into this trend, creating these types of videos and earning thousands of dollars every single month. Not just once a year, but month after month. The opportunity is huge right now, and today I am going to tell you exactly how you can start creating these types of stunning videos without putting in much effort at all. I know a lot of people out there will try to tell you that it's difficult, that it takes a lot of time, skill, or experience. But trust me, it's not difficult, man. It's actually very easy if you know the right steps. In fact, it's so simple that even if you are a complete beginner with no experience, you can still do it without any problem. You can create the maximum number of videos by spending just half an hour a day. Yes, only 30 minutes. And you'll be able to produce high-quality, professional-looking content ready to upload and share with the world. Do you want to create this type of niche channel and earn maximum dollars? Yes, everyone wants this. So today, I'm going to tell you how to create this type of content easily. First, take a screenshot of the style or scene you like. Then, paste it into ChatGPT and say, I want to create this type of HD animated video shorts. Please give me 8 prompts of this same scene. ChatGPT will provide you with the best and most effective prompts to create this type of video. These prompts will help you design stunning, eye-catching animated shorts that attract views and subscribers. By following this simple method, you can create viral videos without any complex skills. Many creators are already using this powerful strategy to grow their channels rapidly and earn substantial revenue. Don't miss the opportunity. Start today and explore the endless possibilities of AI-powered video creation. Alright guys, now open Google and search for Meta. It's time to complete the promise I made to you in the beginning of this video. Once the results come up, just click on the first website you see. That's the one. Now listen carefully. This is the best part. When you land on the website, just log in using your Google account. That's it. No credit card needed, no hidden fees, no trials, and no credit limits. This is 100% totally free to use. Yes, Meta AI is a free tool that gives you professional quality results without costing a single penny. Once you're logged in, paste the prompt I gave you in the description below. Hit enter and boom, you'll see it generate a stunning, ultra-realistic HD animated image. And trust me, it looks like something made with expensive software by professional designers. But wait, I know most of you are here for one thing: video. You want to turn that image into a free animated video, right? Let's do it. All you have to do is click the Animate button. That's it. You don't need to adjust anything unless you want to. In just 10 seconds, yes, literally 10 seconds, it takes 4 images and transforms them into a smooth, high-quality animated video. It's fast, it's beautiful, and best of all, it's still completely free. This is like magic, guys. I'm not even exaggerating. No credits, no dollars, no subscription, just pure creativity at your fingertips. I honestly couldn't believe it the first time I tried it. And if you think one video is cool, just try another. Paste a new prompt, generate more images, click Animate again, and boom! Another awesome video, totally free. I told you I'd bring you real value, and I think my promise is 100% fulfilled with this one. But don't leave yet. If you want to really take your content to the next level, you need to check out the customization settings too. Look at the left sidebar inside Meta. You'll see options like style, mood, and color. You can choose a cartoon look, 3D style, cinematic vibe, and even different lighting effects. All of these options help you shape your video exactly the way you want it. And yes, every single one of them is free too. So let me ask you, why pay for other websites when this one does it all for free? Everyone wants to create cool, animated content, but not everyone has the budget for it. That's why tools like Meta AI are a total game changer for creators, YouTubers, digital artists, and even beginners. The only thing you need to do is log in with your Google account. That's it. No more steps, no complicated setup, no credit system. Just log in, paste the prompt, generate images, animate, and enjoy your free video. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try right now and start making your own professional animated videos in seconds. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends, because everyone deserves access to powerful tools without breaking the bank. Let's create something amazing together. Download Filmora from any free website, no payment or credit needed. Drag and drop all your video clips into the timeline. Then add background music from the YouTube audio library, which is completely free and copyright safe. Adjust the video clips properly and sync them with the beats of the music to create better energy and flow. Now, the important part, to remove the watermark or logo, simply click on your video, scale it up slightly, and adjust the position. Drag the video so that the logo moves outside the frame. The video will look a little bit zoomed, but don't worry, it still looks very good and professional. After that, edit the video to make it even more attractive. Add transitions between clips for smoothness, insert text overlays like titles or captions to catch attention, and apply effects like light flashes, camera shakes, and zoom-ins to increase the impact. To enhance it further, adjust the colors by boosting the contrast and saturation to make the visuals pop more. You can also add crash sounds, explosion effects, or impact sounds exactly at the action moments. Try using slow motion or speed ramping to make key scenes even more dramatic and exciting. Everything is ready now. Your video is fully edited, watermark removed, and looks amazing. Just export it in high quality and your viral short is ready. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.